Hello friends, I am Bhujbal Pratiksha. So today I am going to talk about DNA transcription. So the DNA transcription is the fundamental biological process that occurs in living organism, and it is take a key step in a central dogma of molecular biology, which describe a genetic information flows from DNA to RNA to protein. Now let's discuss about the step in the transcription. So first one is the initiation. In the initiation, transcription begins with the binding of enzyme called as a RNA polymerase to a specific region of DNA known as the promoter. Then these promoter are typically located upstream the gene that needs to be transcribed. Then RNA polymerase recognizes and binds to the promoter sequence with the help of various transcription factors. Then second one is the unwinding and formation of transcription bubble. Then once the RNA polymerase is bound to the promoter, it helps to unwind the small segment of DNA double helix, and it creating region called as a transcription bubble. The unwound DNA serves template for RNA synthesis. Then third one is the elongation. RNA polymerase move along the template DNA strand into the 3' to 5' direction, synthesizing the RNA molecules in 5' to 3' direction. As RNA polymerase moves along the DNA templates, it adds complementary ribonucleotide triphosphates to the growing RNA strand. Then these RNTPs base pair with the corresponding nucleotides on the DNA templates. Then the RNA polymerase continues to elongate the RNA molecule until it reaches the termination sequence. Then fourth one is the termination. Transcription can terminate in different ways depending on the organism and the gene being transcribed, and there are two primary types of termination. That one is the first one, intrinsic termination, that is some genes have specific sequence in their DNA that can cause the RNA transcript to the fold back to himself, forming a hairpin structure. Then this hairpin destabilizes the RNA DNA hybrid, and it causing a RNA polymerase to dissociate from the DNA template. Then row dependent termination. In some cases, protein called RHO binds to the RNA transcript, and it moves it, and eventually causing a RNA polymerase to detach from the DNA template. Then fifth one is the RNA processing. In eukaryotic cells, the newly synthesized RNA molecules called the primary transcript or pre-mRNA undergoes several modifications before it can function as a mature mRNA. Then this modification including capping, splicing, and polydenylation. Then capping involves the addition of 5' cap, which protects the RNA molecules and helps to transport out of the nucleus. Then splicing removes introns and joins together exons to produce a continuous coding sequences. Then polydenylation adds a poly A tail to the 3' end of mRNA, which is important for stability and translation. Thank you.